My name is Brady Schoblum, and this is my experience interning at Richards Sheet Metal. It's a fabrication shop located in Ogden, Utah. I found out about this job through a cousin who referred me. I was interviewed and offered employment at $11 an hour for this entry-level position. Richards provided a number of fabrication operations, services. These pictures demonstrate a few of those. On the top right is a part perforated by a CNC punch before being formed and welded. On the left is a auger for the food industry made of stainless steel. The spiral portion is made up of several parts that were cut out on the laser, then formed, then welded to the shaft and to each other. The middle bottom picture demonstrates a typical part cut out on the laser that was formed by the press brake afterwards. And on the bottom right is a stamped part. And we did quite a bit of stamping. My responsibilities were primarily with the lasers. We had two lasers that we mainly used, a 5,000 watt pictured on top and a 2,000 watt pictured on the bottom. We were able to cut up to 1-inch steel plate or like 3/4 inch aluminum or stainless plate. I would look at the engineering drawing and find out what material, quantity, thickness, etc. was needed, and retrieve that with the forklift, load it onto the machine. After the parts have been cut, I would remove the parts from the skeleton. We would recycle the skeleton and we'd send the parts onto whatever process was next for them, whether that was forming or welding, paint, or outside machining, etc. I also occasionally operated a press brake, and I would have to check parts frequently with calipers to make sure they're within tolerance according to the engineering drawings. I gained practical experience and insight about all the possible sheet metal operations there are and the costs entailed and some of the other variables. It's also provided context for future classes like 172 or manufacturing processes, and actually a lot of classes. Finally, it prompted a business idea where a friend and I were able to earn an income while we were in school by making these sheet metal signs that we would install at various schools in the area that wanted them. Here's a few more pictures. All in all, it was a great experience, and I'm really glad I did it early in my education because of the context it provided for the rest of my education.